Okay, man. So this is the fruits. You started bringing out the male flowers. Okay, come to this side. Okay, so this is the okay. So you can see this is the female one. You started bringing out. Okay, so this video I've just made today. Yeah, today's 6th. I think today is 6. Yeah, 6th of May, 2024. Or 2025. 6th of May, 2025. Okay, so just come to this side. So this palm we planted 2 years ago. I think it was around June 2023. Yeah, June 2023. So last year was 1 year. This year is 2 years. So you can see that it has started blinking out. People are still saying that there's no Malaysian super gene. Tell me any local palm that less than 2 years you can start producing, because June, but that's by next month will be exact 2 years. But look at what he has started doing. Look at the size and look at this. Yeah. Okay, so this is the manure that just arrived. Okay. Okay, so this is the manure. It just arrived. Okay. So they're uploading them inside the house. Okay. This is how the back look like. Okay. So this is it. So this is the animal dropping, these poultry dropping. Besides, you can see the way we bag them. Okay, you can see them the way we bag. So this is the first batch that came in. Is 150 bags. So you can see how we stack them. So see them, all of them here. So we want to use this for palm oil palm seedlings that we planted. Is by July this year we make it 2 years. By July this year we make it 2 years. So we discovered that the soil texture is not very wonderful. So we are switching from the synthetic fertilizer, that the NPK that we were using previously, to use these poultry droppings to improve the soil texture, so that the fertility of the soil will come up for the palms to start doing quite better. So this is how we are going to do it. Just come with me. We've already started like preparing the place. So just take a look at this. So this is how we are going to do it. We've already made this place round and we want to put it in. So let me just bring one of the bags that we are going to put. Okay. So a bag like this, we supply to just 5 tanks. A bag like this goes for 5 tanks of this. Bag goes for 5 tanks for this one. But the one we planted last year that are just 1 year old, so we are going to increase that. A bag of it will go for about 6 to 7. But for these ones, because this one they are almost 2 years now, about 1 month or 2 months left for them to be 2 years. So we need to increase the volume of the feed we are giving to them. Okay, so just look at it. So we want to improve with this organic manure, the soil fertility is going to be improved. And by that, it means that in the next few months, when you come back to this land, something that we are going to see which really amazed you what you are going to see will really amaze you. Okay, this is how we do it. This is the first one. We are moving into the second one. So first and foremost, you need to guard around the palms. Okay, why you are doing this is one, for retention of this manure. So even though there's heavy rain, the nutrient will not be flushed away. The work is tasking, but you need to do the right work. You can't just carry the manure and begin to spray without doing what you've just done by making this kind of a defensive wall around the manure that you are applying. All right, so this is it. This is how we are doing it. All right, so you continue this way. So you already done this area. So if you want to maintain your plantation, your oil palm plantation, contact us. Our number will be displayed on the screen, or you check our YouTube channel, Beko Farm Academy, or follow us on our YouTube, on our Facebook page at Beko Farm Enterprise, so you can be getting updates how you can run your plantation. If you want to go into vegetable cultivation, also contact us. We are available for your services. So stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.